Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing something that has nothing to do with makeup or clothes or anything. It's actually for pets. Dinovite is basically a nutritional supplement for cats or dogs. So this is what it looks like, what it comes in. I'm just going to be going over what my results have been with my beautiful cat. So basically this is the 90-day. I think you can also get it in a 30-day, but this is my 90-day, so that would be about 3 months. And you open it up and it's very, very informative. It tells you like their hours of customer service when you can call them. It has all the nutritional information, ingredients, directions, daily servings, special notes. Comes with a big bag. I'm not going to take it all the way out, but it's just a bag of powder and a little scooper, like so. This part's just called the Dinovite. And then it also comes with the Lico Chops. It's a little dirty, but basically the Lico Chops is just another supplement. This says a tasty fatty acid supplement for dogs and cats. Once again, all the ingredients, all the feeding instructions, special notes. So they make it really easy for you. You put a scoop of this on and then you drizzle it with the Lico Chops. So I'm going to go over and show you guys how to actually do it, and then I'm going to go over my results. One sec. Okay, so this is my cat's food setup. So I keep the stuff right here, and basically this is what you do. And I get about 1 scoop, so about this much, and I just put it all over her food. Technically when you first do this you want to just put it on top. You don't want to be mixing it, but my cat has done this since December, so she's very used to it. Then after you do the powder, you take the Lico Chops, and then this you just simply drizzle a bit over top, and that's it. It's pretty simple. This is what it looks like, and my cat loves it. Now I just kind of want to go over my specific results and what I've experienced with Dinovite. Overall, I really do like it and I highly recommend it. I tell everyone about it, like when they compliment how soft my cat is, I always tell them it's due to Dinovite. The one thing that is a little bit tricky is just introducing my cat to it. She's a little picky and has been eating the same food for like 9 years, so it was a little difficult trying to get her to be accustomed to this like new powdery stuff on her food. I just started off with just a little bit each day, and now she eats it just like it's her regular routine. I definitely have seen a major difference in her dandruff. My cat had a really bad dandruff problem, and I've definitely seen that be completely minimized. I wouldn't say it's completely gone, but I definitely have noticed that it looks like her fur looks so much better. Another thing is she's super shiny, and to prove this I actually went on vacation for a week and my sister watched over my cat. Shout out to you, Amanda, you better be watching this. And I was like, you know, she's just not gonna deal with the Dinovite stuff. My cat had never been to that house, so I wanted it to be like very easy for her to get accustomed to, so I just said it's fine about the Dinovite. And I get back and I go to pick her up and I just noticed the biggest difference in her fur. She just looked more dull and her shedding was really bad. A lot of the shedding could have been due to her just being stressed about being in a new area, but I really do think that the not being on the Dinovite for a week like set her, like all her progress in her coat like a step back. But that definitely proved to me that this stuff is working. I'm gonna read online what they say their product is supposed to do to help you guys, like if you're looking for specific results, to see if it covers those results. So let's see what it says. It's a combination of amino acids, fatty acids, zinc, vitamins, direct-fed microbiomes, and other nutrients that support a cat's immune system and body function. The nutrients help support good skin and shiny coat. As you know, a coarse, brittle coat, excessive shedding, and itchy skin are common signs of nutritional deficiencies. So yeah, actually everything I said, I've never even like read what the results are supposed to be, but like actually everything that they just said, I have seen a huge difference in. So this is my cat, and I'm gonna do a close-up of her fur. I don't know if you can even tell with the camera, but like she's just so shiny. So this is kind of how she's looking. She's got a few little gray spots. She's 10 years old. And as you can see, like as I'm petting her, she sheds, but I don't know, she's just very shiny. So this is her in the natural lighting. I've become really familiar with this product. My 2 dogs at home also use it, and they also have seen a difference. I can do a review for the dog one too. However, I'm pretty sure it has the exact same ingredients. It might just be a few differences. So that is all I have. I really like this stuff, highly recommend it. If you have any questions, you should definitely comment those below, and I'd be happy to answer them. Also, their hotline is really helpful. It doesn't take long for them to answer. They give you the office hours right here. I'll put their links in my description. Also, they obviously did not pay me to do this whatsoever. This is completely on my own. I got this stuff for Christmas to use for my cat. I guess technically my cat got it for Christmas. So yeah, that's basically it, and I appreciate everyone watching, and I recommend this product. Please like this video, share it with people who have cats or dogs and would like to see, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.